Hi, my name is Elvis Daniel Bezwada, and this is my video regarding business ethics considering cloud computing. Assignment 2 of professional ethics. I would like to talk about cloud computing first. Cloud computing is all about a connection of remote servers to hostage of internet to store, implement and maintain the data. So these are the three steps involved in cloud computing. Cloud computing basically stores data in large amounts of size. So to undergo this process, it requires a lot of energy from the equipments of the data centers. The data centers uses a lot of equipments to generate such kind of energy to undergo the whole process. So this is all about cloud computing. Now coming to the article focuses on three categories, that is the climate in the cloud in relation with the human rights, and the third case, that is the changing ethics in the cloud. Now let's talk about the first case, the climate in the cloud. Basically, while you're talking about this energy and equipments from the data centers, the climate is generally affected when the equipments generate a lot of energy, because when the equipments are being used by the data centers, the power consumption is more when compared to a normal power consumption category. So 15%, as we see in the article, 15% of the global consumption is already being used by the data centers. So the government has to take necessary steps to handle this issue. In the second case, here in this case, the government and also the public will be involved, because in the first case, as we are talking about the energy equipments and the data centers from the government side, that is the government should take care of this data centers and all this consequences being faced by the cloud computing usage. So in the second case, the society is also involved, because the society should be aware of this consequences which are being coming up by the government or the cloud computing, because if the government is not able to take necessary steps, then the society will be affected by these consequences. So it is a mutual cooperation between government and the society to handle this issue, because government is the whole and sole responsibility when we talk in a general perspective, because government will be responsible for this issue. Just in case if the government is not able to handle the issue, the society should handle the issue by communicating it to the government and making their effort to handle the issue from the side of government. So this is the second case. And now about the third case, the changing ethics in the cloud. So here we are talking about business and the society. In the second case, we are talking about the government and the society. And in the third case, we are talking about business and the society. So business, like when we talk about business, it is all about the corporate sector or any other business sector. So the corporate responsibility is to create awareness to the society that the consequences of the cloud computing and the effects which the cloud computing plays on the society. So I would like to conclude by giving the statement that it is a collective effort of both the government, society and the business to handle this issue and prevent such consequences to affect the public in the future. So I would like to end this conversation in a very simple manner, that it is all a mutual cooperation of both of the three parties in handling the issue. Thanks for watching.